We are in beautiful Belterra today with count them, two fence stains. Ready? Let's go. That one was a lot of, and there was a lot of walking back and forth. So it was only one length of fence, but it was on both sides, right? So one had a gate, and that immediate neighbor side did not have a gate. So I had to walk around the front of the house every time. Does that make sense? A lot of back and forth. This next fence should be much quicker. It's just a, it's the pretty side of the fence.